is the final look, 8 packs later. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nee here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe. Listen, there's gonna be a lot more content, a lot more things you're gonna wanna see in the future. So you might as well just click it. I hear it's free, nobody has to die, and you know what I'm saying? We could just get things started. So if you're clicking on this video, it means that you are interested in the faux loc bob style. This is not my first rodeo. I have done this style before back in 2015, 2016. And today I'm gonna be partnering with Hair by Susie. She is honestly my go-to hairstylist when it comes to a lot of different protective styles, braids, creativity. Like whenever you see me with like, I don't know. I mean, I feel like all my styles tend to be a little bit creative, but that's not the point. The point is when you want magic done in a protective style, in a black girl magic, funky, spicy way. I don't know if spicy is the word I should have used, but Susie is your person, okay? She's a celebrity hairstylist. She's done a bunch of people's hair. Look her up if you feel me. I want to name drop because it's going to seem like I'm bragging, but look her up. The credentials are in Google. So yeah, so this isn't my first bob. She actually did my first faux loc bob back in 2015. I'm going to post a picture here so you can see it. So she knows what she's doing basically. And today we are going blonde. We're not only going blonde, we're going blonde, platinum blonde. A little bit about Susie. So like I said, she is a wonderful hairstylist, a hair artist, if you will. Check out her page. We are actually going to be doing a collaboration and we want you to save because we're all about saving coins in 2019. You feel what I'm saying? So we have a coupon code. The coupon code is NNE, Nee, short for Nee, like my nickname. And you can use it whenever you want to book with her. She is based in Brooklyn, but she does travel in case you need, you know, your hair done. So go to her website, hairbysusie.com, also on her Instagram at hairbysusie, and make sure you use my discount code, unless you don't like saving, but I don't know who doesn't like saving. Like, we're trying to save 2019, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get right into this video. So we are gonna start off, first of all, by talking hair, of course, like how are we gonna do the style, right? So we're gonna be using the Janet Collection 3-in-1 value pack. Human hair feel. It's not really human hair feel, guys. It's more like Marley hair. And yeah, the name of the style is Triple Afro Twist Braid. So it's in color 613. You know, your girl has to be extra. And I wanted to do this style for a very long time. So I'm really excited about this. So Susie and I are gonna be doing asymmetrical bob.
Asymmetrical bob.
Yes, an asymmetrical bob. And what I like about this style too is that I'll still be able to do a middle part. I'll still be able to do my side part. And it'll be a really cute style. So really excited about that. How many packs do you think we'll end up using?
8.
8 packs. So like I said, I have a 3-in-1 value pack. So it's technically just 3 packs of hair in one.
First, we'll start to detangle the hair like this. And then we're going to get a spray bottle with water and oils like this and spray all of the hair. Then you use a moisturizer. In this case, I'm going to be using coconut oil. Lather the hair with moisture. Then I'm going to, should I list all the tools I'm using? First, you're going to need a tail comb like this, a wide tooth comb, spray bottle, some jam, scissors, and some moisture like coconut oil. And most importantly, some Marley hair. Okay. First, you're gonna have to section your client's hair into 4 like this. 2, 3, 4. Then starting from the right side, start by sectioning the hair. Section like that. Get the tooth in the hair. Twist.
So guys, Susie's putting this holding spray on so my makeup doesn't transfer to the hair because it already has. So this will prevent that from happening. So guys, this is the final look. 8 packs later, 3 hours later, we are done. What do you think? And then also Susie added some accessories, some strings, a little bit of seashells. Sorry, it's just my friend in the back. Yeah. These plates for. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think about this style? I love it. It's a really great protective style. I'm gonna have it for maybe about. What's going on? She sprayed water on me. I don't know what that was about. You know what? It's time to go. Once again, guys, use my discount code. It is NNE to save some money. Because we're all about saving coins, like I said.
Oh, that right.
Oh, use my discount code NE because we're all about saving money. Hey, no! There's that coin in the back. Oh my god. These guys are terrible. Alright, it's getting crazy. Back to you. Back to you, Mike. Alright guys, so I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into my video. Let me know if you guys would try this style. Let me know if you're booking with Susie. Once again, she's based in Brooklyn, but she is willing to travel. And subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. What is so funny back here?
It's gonna be hard. Yeah, for real. You don't know. We make your video fly. This is why they gonna watch it.
All right, guys. See you guys on my Instagram because that's where I'm gonna.
Down. What do you lift your legs up? Where you flying to? Why your legs so
I'll obviously be styling this
Why
hair.
you do? What's all that? Okay, guys.
Oh my. Stay tuned for some pictures and videos with this hair coming out on my Instagram soon. So go follow that as well.